Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 mobile hotspot not working. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click yes to continue. Export registry for future use. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click and expand WLAN SVC. Click and expand parameters. Click and expand hosted network settings. Delete hosted network settings. Close and exit registry editor. Restart system. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Connected Network Adapter, click Properties. Click Sharing tab. Uncheck Allow other network users to connect through this internet connection. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, click Update Driver. Click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is on. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.